C28S drone operation tutorial. Remove product and accessories. Product configuration. Need to charge the drone battery before flight. Connecting the battery. Connect the power supply. Indicator light is red when charging. Turns off automatically when fully charged. Demonstration of charging the remote control. Connecting the remote control. Connecting the power supply. Indicator light is red when charging. Turns off automatically when fully charged. Pre-flight preparation. Insert the memory card into the remote control slot. Unfold the drone arm. Install the drone battery. Make sure the drone is horizontal before starting it. Press and hold to turn on the drone. Then turn on the remote control switch. The drone will automatically pair with the remote control. Then turn on the on-screen mapping. Select the language and wait for the screen to enter. Short press for geomagnetic calibration. Rotate horizontally clockwise to hear a beep. Then rotate vertically clockwise and hear the beeps again. Compass horizontal calibration is complete. Short press for gyro calibration. After the above operations are completed, please wait for the drone GPS to search for stars. The remote control will emit a beep. The search is complete. You can take off. Unlock the drone with the Alt A lever. Push up the left stick to take off. Rise. Descend. Rotate left. Rotate right. Forward. Backward. Left fly. Right fly. Toggle the speed adjustment button on the remote control. You can adjust the drone's flight power in 3 speeds. A few beeps indicate the switching speed. Toggle wheel on the top right side of the remote control. Toggle the camera angle down to the right. Toggle the camera angle up to the left. Short press the photo button to take a picture. Short press the record button to start recording. Short press again to save the recording. Long press the return button. The drone will return to the takeoff point. Connect to app. You need to turn off the display switch first. Scan the QR code of the manual to download the corresponding app according to the cell phone system. Connect the drone to Wi-Fi after downloading. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Clip on the cell phone to start flying. Indoor mode demonstration. Turn on the drone and remote control first. Then turn on the screen transmission. Select the language and wait for the transmission screen. Long press the GPS button on the remote control to turn off the GPS. 1 key to calibrate the gyroscope. Unlock the drone by pressing the Alt A lever. Push the left stick up to take off. Press the back button. Select File Management. You can view pictures and videos. Press Confirm button to play video. Press the back button to return to the picture transmission screen. Remove the memory card. Insert the memory card into the card reader and plug it into the USB port of your computer. You can see the video. Replace the fan blade. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the blades and remove them. Be careful to distinguish between the A and B symbols. Install the corresponding fan blade.